Albert finally made it to the top. And he's very proud of that. And all the others are looking at him, admiring him. And they're like, we want to get up there too, Albert. We love you, Albert. We love you. We want to get up there too, Albert. But Albert is very, very good up there. So he's jumped up there and he's getting used to it. And he's flapping his wings. He's flapping it to steady himself up there if he's falling down. So he won't fall down. And all the others are still like, And then here's Albert doing his little adventure walk where he's like walking around the edges and he has to be very, very careful. That's why, and even if he's falling, it's good that he has his wings. I was just feeding them back because I thought he'd get a little hungry up there. And then I wasn't feeding him. I wanted to get him on my little hand because he likes to jump on my hand sometimes, but he doesn't want to right now. So he's just flapping around, doing his adventure walk, and he's loving it. And then I bring him some food because I thought he's hungry and he could have a snack. And the other chickies must have seen that there was food up there, and they wanted to jump up there with him so they could also eat the food. And now my hand's on the other side, and now it's like, nom, 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 nom. And it's delicious. And then Albert sees the heat lamp that we have to warm up the chickies, and he must be like, I want to jump up there, I want to jump up there. But he can't do that right now. He doesn't do that right now. And he's looking around, and he sees something. You know what he sees? You know what he sees? Guess. Not here in the background, but guess what he sees? It's the food storage! And we thought he might jump in, but he didn't. And then all the others are sleeping, and Albert also wants to sleep, but he also wants to stay up there on the top of the container, and he tries to balance himself. And then at the end, he wakes up.